What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XTC Tunes. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everything is fine in your life, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. It will definitely help the channel. Alright, okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing beat making tips, which is very crucial and it's very easy to do in Cubase. I'm going to share with you how to tune the percussion to match the key of the beat that you're making. Alright, so I've done a couple of other videos as well about beat making tips in Cubase. Please do check that out as well. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, I've already fired up my Cubase right now, and I'm going to show you how to tune your percussion in Cubase. It's very easy, so all you have to do is find some kind of percussion. Okay, let's go ahead and find one. Percussion. There you are. So let's try that. Okay, I've loaded the percussion loop to the project window right now, and I'm gonna hit play, and I can hear the sound. Alright, okay, what I want to do next is I'm gonna go to the channel settings and hit play, and I'll see the pick here. If you notice, this is the pick. Okay, so it says G#4, right? Can you see here below here? So basically the main frequency of this particular percussion is G#4. So basically this is tuned to G#4, and if your song is in G# key, and this is fine, you can use it. But if your song is in the key of, let's say, C, right, so you have to actually tune this to the right key of the song. So now I'm going to show you how you can tune this. Right, first you have to just click on this, and from G# to okay, let me open a MIDI track here. Right, I'm going to show you. So from G#, this is G#, and you have to go to C. You have to tune it to C. So G#. So from G# you need to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you need to move this up 4 semitones. Okay, so I'm going to go here and select the percussion, and then I'm going to transpose this up to 4 semitones. Right, now I'm going to hit play. Okay, now it's tuned to the key of C. So let's verify that. See, C5. You can see the note here. Let's play again. Can you see that? So that's how you tune percussion, and same thing goes to 808 as well. Okay, let's try with 808. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to tune 808. So I have this couple of 808 here. Let's just drag this 808 here. So it says it's A, right? And okay, now I think maybe because it's already labeled, when I drag it to the sampler track, it's set to the actual key of this sample. So let's find another 808. This is not the best way to explain on how to you know, tune 808. So do I have any other 808 here? Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to channel settings. Okay, this is C#, right? Okay, so when I press C, it shows D. The key of this 808 is D, so I'm gonna just drag this to D. Okay, now it's in the right key of the song, so it's in C. So that's it for today, guys. A very simple way to tune your percussion in Cubase Pro 10.5. So I hope you find value in this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification, and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.